How you guys doing? I'm just so thankful for this opportunity. Mobile, I would get a chance to speak at Liberty Missionary Baptist Church at the Gulf Coast Men's Conference. I would love to see you guys out. It's at 6:30. I want to make it kind of personal to you guys because speaking at men's conferences sometimes get personal to me. At a young age, I lost my father at 2 years old. And my mom husband stepped in and changed my life forever. The values that he taught me, the morals that he taught me, man, it's something that I'll be able to use for my life and be able to apply. So when I get a chance to speak back to men and pour into their life and use my stories, it's personal. So if you guys would do me a favor and show up this Friday, August the 1st at Liberty Missionary Baptist Church at 6:30 in Mobile, Alabama,